Hey everyone, let me ask you something. When was the last time you interacted with AI? If you're thinking, not recently, I bet you'd be surprised. That Instagram filter you used this morning? AI? Your Netflix recommendations? Also AI? That spam email that didn't make it to your inbox? You guessed it, AI. But here's what's really exciting. AI isn't just changing how we do things, it's creating entirely new careers that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. And the best part? These jobs are opening up right now. Today I'm going to walk you through these incredible opportunities and show you exactly how to grab them. Now you've probably heard the scary headlines about AI replacing jobs. And I won't sugarcoat it, some jobs will change. But here's what those doom and gloom articles aren't telling you. AI is creating way more opportunities than it's taking away. Here are some real-world examples that show AI's impact. In healthcare, radiologists are using AI tools like Google's DeepMind to detect breast cancer in mammograms with greater accuracy than human doctors alone. They're not being replaced, they're becoming AI-empowered experts who can make better decisions faster. In education, platforms like Duolingo are using AI to adapt to each student's learning pace and style. Every time you get an answer right or wrong, the AI adjusts to help you learn better. Teachers are using these tools to supplement their teaching, not replace it. And in creative fields, companies like Adobe are integrating AI tools like Firefly into Photoshop, allowing designers to generate and edit images in completely new ways. Musicians are using AI tools like Google's Audio LM to explore new sounds and compositions. The AI isn't creating art on its own, it's becoming a new tool in the creative toolkit. The really cool thing about all this, these aren't just changes happening in big tech companies in Silicon Valley. This AI revolution is hitting every industry, every size of business, and, here's the important part, creating opportunities in places you might not expect. Now that you know how AI is shaping industries, let's explore the roles you could step into today. Data annotators. Think of them as the foundation builders of AI. They're the ones labeling and organizing the data that teaches AI how to think. While the starting salary is typically $35,000 to $50,000, or $28,000 to £40,000, it's a fantastic way to understand AI from the ground up. Major companies like Scale AI and Appen are always looking for sharp minds in this space. Next up, AI quality testers, earning $45,000 to $65,000 to start, or $36,000 to £52,000. They're like quality control for AI, testing systems for bugs, biases, and weird behaviors. Microsoft and Google regularly hire for these positions, and they often lead to more advanced roles in AI development. Moving up the ladder, we have the AI Training Operations Manager. This role is perfect for those who've gotten their feet wet in testing or data work and want to take the next step. They're the ones making sure AI models learn the right things from the right data. They're earning $95,000 to $160,000, or $76,000 to £128,000, and many started as testers or annotators before moving up. Here's one that might surprise you: the Human-AI Interaction Designer. These folks design those smooth, natural conversations you have with AI. It's a perfect blend of psychology and tech, earning $85,000 to $150,000, or $68,000 to £120,000. The field is attracting professionals from UX design, psychology, and linguistics who are passionate about making AI interactions more natural and intuitive. And for those interested in the ethical side of AI, there's the AI Ethics Officer. Think of them as the moral compass of AI development. These folks make sure AI systems are fair and unbiased, acting as a referee in the AI world. You know how some AI chatbots have gotten into hot water for biased responses? These are the people preventing those mishaps. They typically earn between $120,000 to $200,000, $96,000 to £160,000, and here's the cool part: many come from surprisingly diverse backgrounds like philosophy or social sciences. For the technically minded, MLOps, or machine learning operations support roles, offer a great entry point starting at $50,000 to $70,000, $40,000 to £56,000. It's like being an IT specialist for AI systems. You keep the machines running smoothly, and handle the infrastructure that makes AI possible. This often leads to more advanced MLOps engineering roles. And if you're more of a writer than a coder, AI technical documentation. Writers start at $45,000 to $60,000, $36,000 to £48,000, turning complex AI concepts into clear documentation. It's a perfect way to learn the tech side while using your communication skills. Many of these roles allow for growth and specialization, with entry-level positions often leading to more advanced opportunities. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually get there? Let me break it down in a way that won't overwhelm you. Start with the basics. Begin by understanding how AI is used in everyday life and familiarize yourself with free, beginner-friendly tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or even Canva's AI features. These are great for exploring how AI works in a hands-on way. Once you're comfortable, look for beginner courses or Google's introductory AI courses that provide a foundational understanding of AI concepts. After building some familiarity, you can then start learning foundational skills like basic coding, with Python being a good next step. Platforms like Coursera, EDX, and Fast.ai offer structured Python for AI courses. Here's something most people don't talk about enough: soft skills. While everyone's rushing to learn technical stuff, the ability to think critically and work with teams is crucial in AI roles. Major tech companies like Google and Microsoft explicitly list communication and collaboration skills in their AI job requirements alongside technical qualifications. These aren't just nice-to-have skills. They're essential for translating complex AI concepts to stakeholders and working effectively across teams. For certifications, don't feel like you need all of them. Pick one that aligns with your interests. The Google AI Cert is great for beginners, while the IBM one is perfect if you're more technically inclined. Think of these as your passport to the AI world. They show you speak the language. The most important thing? Start building stuff. It doesn't have to be groundbreaking. Start with small projects that solve real problems, even if they're simple. Join open source AI projects, contribute to discussions, and share your learning journey. And here's my favorite piece of advice. Get involved in the AI community. Join LinkedIn groups, participate in AI discussions on Twitter, attend local meetups or hackathons. The field is moving so fast that your best source of learning is often other people in the trenches. Plus, many opportunities come through professional networks. Staying updated with AI trends through industry newsletters or following AI thought leaders is another great way to future-proof your career. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Pick one thing that excites you and start there. The beauty of this field is that there are so many paths to success. Drop a comment below about which AI career interests you the most. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos about the future of work. In our next video, we'll explore AI tools you can start using today to level up your career. Until next time.